July 24, 2025. Let's get into the charts. For the NQ, pre-market highs 23,403.5, midnight open 23,378.75, pre-market lows 23,326.75. As for the equities, I was trading this on the open, but I got wicked out. Let's see. As you can see, I got wicked out here for about a 2K loss. I'm not going to jump back in because I don't believe that yeah, that is my strategy. I usually trade the open, and it kind of really jumped. Was that 2%? Let me see. 2%. No, it was almost 2%. It was a quick 1%, but that's not my edge, and I did risk considerable amount. So, followed my plan. Of course, emotionally, I definitely want to not have that loss. Make sure that it just kind of keeps on ripping, but you can't control that. This has been looking strong, so going back, I would have taken this trade 10 out of 10 times with a lot of risk. So I think we're good there. So now we have some weakness. This could potentially be a bounce spot. This is looking like a mean reversion play, so unless it gives me the short opportunity very quickly, we're gonna wait for the bouncy. So yeah, I definitely emotionally want to trade my P&L and rebuy this, but based on where it's going now, this looks like it wants me to sell news. Sell the news, buy the rips. Alright, but we're standing by for NQ. I don't have any more trades on E-Trade. I did have a play for Google to short it at the open. That play would have been valid. Yep. That play would have been valid today. But that's quite alright. So we have two news events. So we're standing by for those. Yeah, we are in a steady downtrend at the moment. This is why you don't be emotional if you don't have a plan B. If, let's say, it does hit your stop loss. So right here, I would have still been underwater again. So yep, we have NQ weakness. So that was the first thing I saw when now wasn't following the game plan. I saw all this NQ weakness. We didn't have any news, so, or did we? And I mistimed that incredibly. Let's take a look if we have any news. Yeah, so no news. Okay. So we have, yeah, so we have a quote from Trump, but it's like a break retest failure at 305 if you want to do some shorting. Teslita. About 30 more seconds. I just want to see where this candle plays out. I can have highs here. It's a nice risk for me. 305, $1. 71. And it's gone. Yep, I'm not gonna chase. Looking at this, I was looking at the 305 retest. I didn't want to pull the trigger. I should have pulled it right at the close. That's alright with me. Okay, we have some more strength on the MNQs. A little bit of a U. I don't like the sideways chop. Yeah, I don't like that. I didn't like that. Let's see if it was gonna fail now. Still have the thesis for shorts. Yeah, shorts are getting crushed. .45 news. Let's see. A news event. Okay. Still a little high, so yeah, that didn't seem right. That's not the candle I want. That's not based on momentum. Not what I wanted to see. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, now, just being difficult to deal with. Teslita, yep. Okay. Nice U formation. Yeah, definitely interested in longs. We're getting close to this pre-high break retest. I think it's gonna close above. A nice U formation. Now if it comes a little bit lower, this is a cup breakout. Cup breakout. Maybe I want us to dip a little bit lower. So I'm looking for something like that. Just need to check on news to see. Okay. Yeah. Anyone listening, if they know what all of these means, because right now, since I've been trading, whenever news like this happens, it doesn't really truly shake up the market like a true 1-2% move. But yeah, it just seems that all those times never really does anything. So I could be wrong, but right now it doesn't. Me too. I'm definitely interested in long. So this is a perfect cup formation. If this starts to bounce, I'm interested. What's the next piece of news? Holmes. I think I'll try baby piece 2 if this closes how I want it to. I'm just waiting for some upswing in momentum based on here. So still no trade yet for me. I'm just gonna wait. No need to be early, no need to be aggressive. React to what the candles are giving you right now. It's telling me still pulling back. I need one green candle, something like this. You can see on the 1 minute chart. This will tell me opinions have changed. Was this a bullish thrust? No, not this candle, but this one was. But I would have entered, at least on the futures aspect, on this candle. Perfect. Yep. See if it can hold that. Need a bullish thrust, otherwise if this is still going down, we're gonna wait for news. Yeah, no thank you. No thank you. No thank you. Oh yeah, no thank you. No thank you. Oh man. Already tagged you. Oh man, that was getting punished. Absolutely punished. That's a good stop loss. Stop the bleeding. Proves my thesis was off. We live to trade another day. Our Tesla thesis was off too. Just based on the 1 minute, it wasn't able to quite give me what I was looking for. So also no trade there. That's social arb. part of the cup formation that I was interested in. Just waiting for this to flip back up. Oh man, it's not what I expected to see. 4 more minutes till news. If this doesn't flip back up in what I want to see, just not gonna trade it. I'm gonna play it safe. Choosing my words carefully. Is it safe? I'm just being cautious. There's just 3 more minutes till news, and I don't want to get wicked up or down from volatility. Bias is long. This is the cup formation, but it was a little bit deeper than I expected. It's a big handle. Usually the handle is kind of up here, about that 380 ad. Let me see. It is a higher low. This is a potential scalp angle. On the 5 minute, it is chopping sideways though, so. Mm, mm. 2 more minutes for news. This candle's not that great. Hopefully, it keeps on going up. I definitely want to break out here with a pullback. But if it gives me no trade, I'm okay with that too. Yeah, okay. Yeah, nope. This one was a good entry, just shorting the move. Oh man. Oh man, that's not good. Bearish thrust, a lower high. Yeah, that's why we wait. If it's not gonna break this pre-market low, this looks like a sideways day. No trade so far on the 5 minutes, and not looking too great. We're kind of trading in between a zone. We need some movement closure. We need some thrust outside of what we have here in these zones. If we don't, it's gonna be kind of a neutral day. Don't get chopped up in noise. I'm not in. Well, it depends on what the volume and price action gives us, but let's see if my scalping hat will come on. Yeah, I'm just literally flat on the 5 minute. On a 1 minute, yeah, you can scalp 50 points, I guess, but that's not my main strategy. So, 3, 2, 1, up, up. Oh man, little down. Okay, will you take out this wick? That's the question. You're trying. The answer is, I think, yes. Answer is yes. Just hit it. You want to hit it. See, there we go. I told you. Okay, but what are you gonna do now about it? What are you gonna do now? see if we have anything here. No, flat. Tesla. That's not key level. Don't want to make some stuff up. Nvidia on the reclaim. Netflix with more than a 1% drop. XLF, JPM, and Data Dog. Apple with another 315 rejection. Damn, now it's still getting hammered. Yeah, unfortunately we had some NQ weakness, so that just sucked. Okay, let's see. We're literally in a 65-point chop. Let's see if it'll come down a little bit lower. So right now a little bit bearish. It has to close, but it doesn't have to close, but I'd like it to close below the 15-minute or below. Oh man, what a bounce. Back up we go. Oh. Just hit $400 to pass through combines. Up 1K today. Nice. How we doing, YouTube chat? How we rocking? Yeah, we had a really unfortunate day with now. A little bit of tech weakness. Oh well. Trade is a system. I make sure. If it still looks like this, there's gonna be no trades. We can't even break outside our highs and lows. So boring, which is good. I like boring. I like it. No, I still would not join this. Well, kind of left me. was feeling some range. Buy the low, sell the highs kind of a day to get cute, if to be honest. But it kind of left me. I thought it was gonna chop around here, but it did not wait for me. I like this break above 21 moving average. Just waiting for the next dip down for a buy back up. If I do decide to do this, it's not going to be the 100 shares, 25 or 50, depending on how strong the pattern is. Oh, shoot. Let's see. This would have hit my stop loss if I went cute. I decide to be a little cute. Okay, finally. Idea is to go short now. Let's see, what's the next target? Next target is kind of here. 284, so about 40 more points. That's kind of the next bounce level. Doesn't have to, of course. Oh man, what an immediate. This is an awesome candle. Closed.
Let's see here. Let's watch. We're a little more cautious. The orb is firing, so if you want a little high risk, take the orb with stops above 364. A little more hesitant due to the fact that two loss to start. 334, 44, 54, 60.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna go short.
Testing one more piece of shorts, guys. Let's pop up. One more try on shorts. Anywhere in 330s to 340s, okay. Worst case scenario is you pop above 364. But if you close back above the 5 minute high, you just stop out there anyway.
Something looks a little fishy, so we're gonna just go short. Short here.
This is the area. Only thing I see to break below the 15-minute low. If we pop back up and close below that 15-minute low and close the 5 minute again, then they're nice for me.
Okay. Okay.
There we go. So far, so good.
And
There we go.
10 points.
There we go.
More down, more down, more down.
I'm going to take a baby piece off here down at 12. Down at 10. Alright, I just covered a bit here, guys. Let's see if we can get further. Come on. Let's see if we can get 300s. Come on, guys. Let's see if we can get 300s. I did cover some at 10. I did cover some at 10. Let's go, guys. Come on. We want more. We want more.
And we got more.
Definitely recommend, we're at 1.5R here. Definitely recommend having some covered. 306. Depending on your entry, 25 or so points. Come on. Come on, give us 300 for our next trim. 300, trimmed a little more, guys. A little more off. I didn't get filled. I got filled at 302. Holding the rest. Holding the rest. Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Down we go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push it down.
I told you we were getting that loss back. I told you. Got stops us at now, break even.
Order filled.
Break even. Let's see if we can let this ride. Let's see if we can let this puppy ride. I told you I was coming back with vengeance for y'all. Come on. Stops are at break even.
Break even.
Come on, baby. We want more. We want more. Stops are at break even. You can run, but you can't hop forever. I mean, I told you I was coming back with a banger for you guys. Small losses and big wins. We want more, though. I'd love to see us break below this 300 Give us the free tip.
Dong.
Come on, baby. I know you want it. I know you want me. I know I want you to break down. I know you want me. Go break down. Come on. Come on. A little more. Hey.
Mm.
Come on.
Order filled.
This 300 area, I have a feeling it's going to be tough. I have a feeling this 300 area is going to be tough to break. That's when my stops are to break even. I would arguably say, if I hadn't lost my first trade, I wanted to secure the green day. I would keep my stops above 339 and still have a little leeway on them. But I'm not liking how we're holding that 300. So I'm keeping that at break even. Oh, 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 oh! It just got my stops, guys. Just got my stops there. Okay, keep moving down, but it got my stops there. Break even, everyone. Got my stops. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it, guys. We will take it. We could end up having this be a lower high in here to move down, but we'll take it. Took me from red to barely green, so we'll take it. Got the lunch money green still. Your boy doesn't have to starve today. Not today, at least. Not today. We'll take it. Hey, good morning, Dirk.
Any news right now?
As a reminder, guys, we closed right above that. Do we look for the retest back down now? Less volume, though, so not for me. As a reminder, guys, we're going to be giving away some accounts at the end of the stream. We're going to give away a straight-to-funded account for FFF and some evals as well. Yep, FFF just got straight-to-funded accounts. We'll be giving one away, too. The winner of the straight-to-funded, I'm going to make sure they use code JDUN. So if you get an email today and you'd like a chance to win a straight-to-funded account, maybe some cash for one, make sure you use code JDUN on FFF. It's 50% off today.
Oh.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Digital Dad. Let's go. So I'm talking about Digital Dad. If you guys want to be in the giveaway, you got to be in the Discord. Should we make the Team Bowl hats available? Well, happy that we got that. And let's go.
I don't like this as a shorts re-entry. Not part of my edge.
I would have rather seen some more continuation, but I mean, win's a win, right?
Interesting. Very interesting candle move. So far, not liking what I'm seeing.
Get done. FFF is the straight to fund it, so if you go to fundedfuturesfamily.com.
Right now, you know, a couple theses playing out. This could be a rejection break retest of pre-market lows of orb lows, but at the same time, this 5 minute bullish thrust candle, 1 minute thrust candle is holding up. We're not dropping as fast as I would like, so we definitely have decreased volume even after this push. So overall, leaning slightly bullish, a slow dribble upward. How much higher? Definitely, I think we'll hit at least this 379, 380 level, but how long does that take? I don't know, but it's slowly coming, slowly just doing its thing. I'm not gonna force anything. I don't have to. Even if I didn't take that initial orb short, I will still not force anything. Okay. Yeah, right now nothing's happening. Oh man, now it's still on the decline. Yeah. Oh man. Pop and fade. Fade away. Is. Okay. That's not something I wanted to trade. How about the video? I mean, if this is that just is normal market behavior in my opinion. That's not a sell order or anything. Alright, guys, we're gonna be done for today. Nothing else is happening. We've been chopping sideways for the last 10 minutes. And that's one way to drive yourself insane if that's the type of stuff you want to spend your morning with. So we got one small win on the MQ. We got one mega size loss on the now, and then gonna recalibrate and figure out a plan for tomorrow. So hope you guys are having a great trading day. Stay